Good morning, Tantan. Good morning, everyone. This is my view outside the window. It's 9:30 and I'm still not awake. Today I'm going on day 2 without any cell phone reception or internet. It feels kind of weird. I feel like I have urge to check my YouTube stats when I wake up. It's a good thing I cannot access it. I'm still gonna be here in the Redwood Forest pretty much all day today, and a friend is coming to visit me at 2:30 p.m. and we're probably gonna do a small hike. Yeah, I'm gonna think about where to make coffee today. My power is still at 60% and I need to make sure it's enough to run the AC today. The AC is probably going to take 20 to 40% depending on how hot it gets and how long I run it. Let's get up and start the day. It's our campsite in the morning. Tantan is exploring and I'm getting bite by mosquito already. I haven't put the spray on yet. Smells so good. I moved the van to a picnic area because it's already past noon and I'm supposed to leave the campsite at 12 p.m. Today I'm just gonna park the van here at the day use area and enjoy our new temporary home for the day. I like this place more than my campsite. Let me show you guys.
Okay, I set up the table in our new day parking space. This time I set it up correctly so it can actually rotate and change to horizontal or vertical. Unlike yesterday, I forgot how to set it up, so it was only horizontal. I'm gonna warm up lunch. It's going to be pretty much what I had left over last night, so I will skip over the preparation part and only show a little bit of eating lunch, and then I should be ready to meet up with Lisa at 2:30. I'm going to use the soup left over from yesterday's udon and put rice in there. Tonton is hot. He's sitting in the driver's seat. Yeah, I will cover the window in the front after I warm up the food. My AC is on. I don't know if you can hear it. I'm still at 68% battery. 反正你要不要来后面坐比较凉快。I'm just going to put the rice in the soup and warm it up using the microwave. I bought this pants in Korea last year and it wasn't so tight last year. It is 2:40. I'm going to check out this trail first. I can hear the creek from here. Must be down there, the creek. Wow, 太美了。
昨天晚上没有网络，就是吃完饭以后在干嘛呀？
我 download 了3个剧，一个是我给你介绍那个韩剧的《My Demon》，我开始了以后，我觉得那个剧有一点可怕。
是吗？
你看过吗？
没看。
它第1集的那个 theme 叫 Living in the Mist。然后当时呢，我为什么不想继续看呢？是因为在我的房车里，然后我已经黑了，天黑了，然后我把所有的 window 都 cover 上，我就觉得有一点点 claustrophobic。然后他又给我一个 living in the mist， 就好像在那个雾里面，然后就让我觉得哇，我根本喘不上气来了。所以最后我就转成看 van life 了。
OK，
就是我都下载好了好几个我喜欢的 YouTuber 的 van life， 就是什么 travel through Alaska 啥的。所以我就一直在看那个，然后我还读了一会儿书，然后最后到12点多才睡觉。
那你觉得一个晚上没网，你感觉是 relax 呢，还是会觉得无聊？还是？
我觉得1个晚上是刚好，2个晚上应该就不行。
有点无聊。
无聊不是最主要的，最主要是我有点担心。我有点担心是因为我连不上网嘛，然后我不知道我们家狗，就是我在家那2只狗怎么样了。
I see。
其他都很好，我觉得没有网，偶尔没有网挺好的，就不 feel 有责任需要干事情，
而且做一些平时有网你可能不会做的事情。
对啊，比如说读书。
对，我觉得读书是一个很大的点，就是在家里你觉得有网络有屏幕，你就会很难静下心来读书。
对啊，
但是你在没网的地方，你就会觉得只能读书。
对啊，然后就很有感触嘛，就是很有感悟，读很多东西还挺有感觉的。
是，其实特别喜欢在飞机上读书，其实也是因为没有网。
那你要开那个小灯。
对，
有
时候会在手都有，就是有时候在手机上读。但是就是说你要没有网，然后你才会就是集中注意去读书。平时好像很难找出一个完整的时间去做。
I just finished a hike and there's my van. I'm going to go back to the Bay Area now after Tantan have a walk, and we're going to end here. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations. Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.